So welcome students. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको दिया है 4 statements and you are being asked to select the correct statements out of this. First statement, coefficient matrix, if it is singular, then it implies that you have unique solution to the equations. So if you have a set of equations, बोल रहे कि उसका coefficient matrix singular है तो unique solution आएगा. And option B is coefficient matrix non-singular है तो unique solution. So which of these two is correct? This is a very direct statement. So we know that. So if a set of statements have to have unique solution, that of coefficient matrix has to be non-zero. That means A has to be non-singular. That is, the coefficient matrix has to be non-singular. So option B is right. Option A is wrong. Okay? So now let us go to the third option. ये बोल रहा है कि if A inverse exists, then adjoint of A whole inverse may or may not exist. So let us try to analyze this. So A inverse exists. इसका meaning क्या है? That A is not equal to 0. So we know that A inverse exists only for non-singular matrices. So that A is not equal to 0. Now let us try to analyze adjoint of A whole inverse. So we know that A into adjoint of A by that A is equal to I. क्योंकि A का inverse is nothing but adjoint of A by that A. So now what I do is, this implies, I'll bring this det A onto this side. So A by det A times adjoint of A is also equal to I. So इसका meaning क्या है? Adjoint of A को if I multiply with A by det A, I am getting I. So this implies adjoint of A का inverse क्या होगा? Adjoint of A का inverse होगा A by det A. So आप देख सकते हैं det A is not equal to 0. So A by det A will always exist. There will never be a problem for the definition of adjoint A whole inverse. So the correct statement should be, if A inverse exists, adjoint of A whole inverse will always exist. That will be a right statement. So यहाँ दिया may or may not exist. So I have to say this as wrong. Next, let us go to fourth option. Fourth option में you are given some f of x and you are asked to check whether f of x into f of y is f of x minus y. It's about again straightforward. So let us try to see whether this follows or not. So f of x into f of y is nothing but cos x minus sin x 0, sin x cos x 0, 0, 0, 0 into f of y. Some of the x के place में y put कर लीजिए, cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 0. दोनों को multiply कर लीजिए. What is the matrix that you get? So first statement, first row into first column, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, which is cos of x plus y. And first row into second column, minus cos x sin y minus sin x cos y, so minus of sin x plus y. Third element, 0, 0, 0. Third element is 0. So I am not going to calculate the other terms. You can just go on and calculate. But you can obviously see that this statement is wrong because f of x into f of y जो है f of x plus y के फॉर्म में आ रहा है. आपको स्टेटमेंट दिया है f of x minus y. So x plus y के फॉर्म में आ रहा है. Hence option D is wrong. So only option A is right for this question. Thank you.